Best track saws. Are you looking for the best track saws? In this video we will look at 5 of the best track saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Festool Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55. The Festool 577014 Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55 FEQF Plus FS is a high-precision track saw designed for professional woodworkers, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts who require clean, accurate cuts. This model includes a 55-inch, 1,400mm guide rail, ensuring straight and splinter-free cuts across various materials such as wood, plywood, and MDF. Equipped with a powerful motor, the TS55 FEQF delivers efficient cutting performance, allowing it to handle deep, precise plunge cuts with ease. The saw's variable speed control ensures optimal performance across different materials, while the micro-adjustable depth control allows for ultra-precise cutting depth settings. One of its standout features is the plunge cut capability, which enables users to start cutting at any point on the material, making it ideal for tasks like cutting out panels, doors, or openings with accuracy. The included guide rail system helps achieve perfectly straight cuts, eliminating the need for a table saw in many applications. The anti-kickback feature provides additional safety by preventing sudden movements that could cause accidents. The Fast Fix system allows for quick and easy blade changes, reducing downtime and improving workflow. The saw also features dust extraction compatibility, helping to maintain a cleaner work environment by minimizing airborne particles. Designed for both portability and durability, the TS55 FEQF is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport between job sites. In summary, the Festool 577014 Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55 FEQF Plus FS offers precision, power, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for professionals and serious DIYers looking for clean, accurate, and efficient cutting performance. Number 2. Evolution Multi-Material Cutting Circular Track Saw Kit. The Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit is a versatile cutting solution designed for woodworkers, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts. This 7¼ inch saw comes with a 40-inch track, providing precise, straight cuts on various materials, including wood, plastic, metal, and more. Equipped with a tungsten carbide-tipped (TCT) blade, the R185 CCSX can handle nail-embedded wood, mild steel, aluminum, and plastic without requiring blade changes. This multi-material cutting capability makes it an excellent tool for professionals who need efficiency and flexibility on job sites. The saw's high-torque motor ensures smooth, powerful cutting performance, even through tough materials. The included 40-inch track enhances cutting accuracy by guiding the saw on a straight, controlled line, making it an ideal alternative to a table saw for long, precise cuts. The track system also reduces tear-out and splintering, providing a cleaner finish on cuts. For safety and ease of use, the saw features an adjustable depth setting, allowing for plunge cuts and controlled cutting depths. The bevel cutting capability up to 45 degrees adds further versatility, making it perfect for various applications, from trim work to framing. Additionally, the dust extraction port helps keep the workspace clean by minimizing airborne debris. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the lightweight build makes it easy to handle and maneuver. The R185 CCSX is built for durability and reliability, making it a cost-effective alternative to more expensive track saws. In summary, the Evolution R185 CCSX Circular Track Saw Kit offers precision, power, and multi-material cutting versatility, making it an excellent choice for professionals and DIYers needing a reliable and efficient cutting tool. Number 3. Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita SP6000J161/2 Plunge Circular Saw Kit is a high-precision track saw designed for professional woodworkers, contractors, and serious DIYers. This kit includes a 55-inch guide rail, ensuring clean, straight, and splinter-free cuts comparable to a table saw. It also comes with a stackable tool case for easy storage and transport. Powered by a 12-amp motor, the SP6000J1 delivers smooth and precise cutting performance, making it ideal for cutting plywood, MDF, hardwood, and other sheet materials. The variable speed control dial, 2000 to 5200 RPM, allows users to adjust the speed based on the material, ensuring optimized cutting performance and reduced burn marks. A standout feature is its plunge cutting capability, allowing users to start cuts anywhere on the material, making it perfect for cutting openings in panels, doors, and countertops. The depth control system enables accurate depth settings, improving precision in every cut. The 55-inch guide rail enhances accuracy, providing straight, guided cuts with minimal tear-out. The saw also offers bevel cutting from -1 degree to 48 degrees, with positive stops at 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees, making it versatile for angled and mitered cuts. For safety and convenience, the SP6000J1 features soft start technology for smooth operation and electronic speed control to maintain constant speed under load. The built-in dust extraction port helps keep the workspace clean when connected to a vacuum. In summary, the Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit is a powerful, precise, and versatile cutting tool, offering table saw-like accuracy with track-guided ease. It's an excellent choice for professionals and advanced DIYers looking for clean, controlled, and efficient cutting performance. Number 4. Makita XPS01 PTJ 18V Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita XPS01 PTJ 18VX2 LXT Lithium-ion 36V brushless cordless 6.1/2 plunge circular saw kit is a high-performance, battery-powered track saw designed for professionals and serious DIYers. This kit includes two 18V5.0i LXT batteries, delivering 36V of power for corded-like cutting performance without the limitations of a power cord. The brushless motor provides smooth and efficient cutting, extending battery life and maintaining constant speed under load. With a variable speed dial, 2500 to 6300 RPM, users can adjust the cutting speed based on the material, ensuring clean and precise cuts on wood, MDF, plywood, and more. A plunge cutting design allows for accurate start points anywhere on the material, making it perfect for cutting openings in countertops, doors, and panels. The saw also features a depth stop, allowing for precise depth adjustments. For accuracy and stability, the saw is compatible with Makita's guide rail system, sold separately, including the 39-inch 199,140/0 guide rail. This ensures straight, splinter-free cuts and eliminates the need for a table saw in many applications. With bevel cutting from -1 degree to 48 degrees and positive stops at 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees, it is suitable for a variety of angled cuts. The soft start feature ensures smooth operation, while the electric brake enhances safety. A built-in dust extraction port helps maintain a clean work area when connected to a vacuum system. In summary, the Makita XPS01 PTJ Plunge Circular Saw Kit combines cordless convenience, power, and precision, making it an excellent choice for professionals looking for a portable, track-guided cutting solution without compromising performance. Number 5. Bosch 6.5-inch track saw with plunge action. The Bosch GKT13-225L 6.5-inch precision track saw is a high-performance, plunge cut saw designed for professionals who need accuracy, power, and ease of use in their cutting tasks. Ideal for woodworkers, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts, this saw excels in making straight, splinter-free cuts on a variety of materials, including wood, plywood, and MDF. Powered by a 6.5-amp motor, the GKT13-225L offers smooth, powerful performance with a variable speed control, 2500 to 5200 RPM, enabling users to adjust the speed to suit different materials. The plunge action allows for precise starting points and makes it easy to make cuts anywhere on the material. With an adjustable cutting depth, the saw can handle materials up to 2 1/8 inches thick. One of the standout features is its precision and accuracy, thanks to the Bosch's advanced track guide system, which keeps the saw on a straight line for accurate cuts. The saw is also designed for easy, tool-free adjustments to both cutting depth and bevel angle, offering versatility for a wide range of tasks. The bevel cuts range from -1 degree to 47 degrees, with detents at 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees for quick adjustments. The saw comes with a carrying case, ensuring easy transport and protection when moving between job sites. The dust extraction port connects to a vacuum to keep the work area clean, reducing airborne debris. In summary, the Bosch GKT13-225L track saw offers a combination of precision, power, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for anyone needing a reliable, accurate, and portable plunge saw for cutting various materials.